Welcome to day 28. The title for today's series is Reinforcement That Works. How specific phrase shape positive behavior. Good day, distinguished educators, students, researchers, and professionals in early childhood education. I am Dr. Bashir Ali Muhammad, and this is day 28 of our 90-day structured professional series on early childhood behavior, environment, and learning. Let me begin with a question that challenges routine practice. When you phrase a child, do you strengthen behavior or do you simply fill air with the words? This message is precise. Reinforcement must be intentional, specific, and timely to shape behavior effectively. General praise feels good. Specific reinforcement builds habits. First, what is reinforcement? Reinforcement is any response that increases the likelihood of a behavior occurring again. In early childhood classroom, reinforcement may include verbal praise, smile and positive attention, token or stars, privileges, leadership or opportunities, clapping, and any other things that will make the child to feel happy. But here is the critical point. Not all praise is equal. Good job is bug. You wait your turn patiently. That shows respect. Is powerful also. Specific reinforcement teaches the child exactly what behavior to repeat. Second, why specific phrases matters. Children need clarity. When phrases is specific, it strengthens understanding. It builds self-awareness. It encourages repetitions. Support internal motivation. For example, instead of saying you are smart, say you work hard to solve that problem. The first builds dependence on level. The second builds effort based on growth. Effort based on reinforcement builds resilience. Children learn that success comes from persistence, not talent alone. Third, timing is critical. Reinforcement must be immediate. Delay phrase loses power. When a child demonstrates self-control, cooperation, focus, kindness, acknowledge it promptly. Immediate reinforcement strengthens neutral pathway. The brain connects behavior with the positive outcomes. Consistency matters. Occasional praises produces inconsistent habits. A practical illustration for today's series. Imagine a child who usually interrupts but today raises a hand quietly. If the teacher ignores this improvement, the child may return to old behavior. But if the teacher says, I notice you raises your hand and wait, that shows self-control. That shows uh, self-control. The behavior strengthens, children repeat what receive attention. If misbehavior receives more attention than positive behavior, misbehavior may increases. What we mean here is that if children misbehave and more attention was given to that misbehave, so then the positive behavior will reduce. Professional educators reinforce strategically. Four, avoiding overpraising. Overpraising, balance is important. Overpraising small, routine tasks may weaken sincerity. Praise must be genuine, specific, linked to effort or behavior, focus on growth. Recognition must not become excessive noise. quality matters more than quantity. Reflections for educators. Ask yourself as usual, do I praise behavior specifically? Do I reinforce effort more than talent? Do I notice small improvement? Do I give attention to positive behavior as consistently as I correct negative behavior? Positive reinforcement is a proactive discipline. It helps the environment quietly. You can use this, you can apply this for immediate application tomorrow. Identify three specific behavior you want to strengthen for example, raising hands, sharing materials, completing tasks independently. Then provide immediate specific praise when those behaviors occur. Observe the pattern over several days. Repetition strengthens habits. A deeper insight. Reinforcement does more than shape behavior. It builds self-esteem. Children who feel noticed for positive effort develops confidence. Confidence strengthens participation. Participation strengthens learning. In early childhood education, encouragement is not weakness. It is a strategic guidance. In conclusion, children grow toward the attention they receive. If attention focuses on mistake alone, anxiety increases. If attention recognizes growth, motivation also increases. Reinforce intentionally, praise specifically, and also encourage consistently. Tomorrow we examine a sensitive but necessary topic, managing aggregation in early childhood, teaching peace without losing authority. I remain Dr. Bashir Ali Muhammad. Thank you for your attention. See you on day 29.